Here's the app called Genora AI Chatbot and Search. So here you have it. Smarter search, seamless productivity. Meet Genora AI, the next generation AI assistant that seamlessly combines conversational intelligence with real-time search, empowering you to work, learn, and create like never before. Whether you need instant answers, content generation, or in-depth research, Genora AI delivers clear, reliable, visually enriched information tailored to your needs. Powerful AI chat assistant, AI vision, smarter image and document analysis, and unlimited access to all features. So here you have it. This is kind of AI chatbot app, alternative to ChatGPT. Um, but here you have it. So get pro access in here, and then that's what you have. Like why people would use it? Well, because this app can actually be cheaper than ChatGPT. So a lot of these apps, as you can see, yearly is just $40 per year. ChatGPT is $20 per month, as they don't have yearly plans. This app has, and you have unlimited chat messages here. 10 models, fastest AI models, which you can choose from. Infinite image generation, PDF and URL summary. So super cool app. You can select and switch models in paid version, I guess. So pretty cool. And so as you can see, ChatGPT 5, 4 Gemini, Claude, Grok, and I guess this is the idea. And then you can also attach files. So basically, you get access to a lot of models, a lot of chats, basically for free. I mean, like with this very small price, just $40 per year is kind of like 2 months paying for ChatGPT. Obviously, you're not getting the latest GPT model, but this app is good enough to do your everyday task. Then you have soulmate drawing, you have note taker, and now you have signature create, doc scanner, image generator, all of this. And then also smart camera, which is also cool. Translate menu text, calculate calories, identify art objects, web search, different assistants. So quite cool assistants in all of these categories. So yeah, that's basically the idea. But unfortunately, in free version, you only kind of have like 4 messages. So yeah, there you have it.